Who's flying that thing?
That's Al Wrinkle.
Al Wrinkle?
Yes, you know him.
Never heard of him. That's not exactly true. We were like brothers. We flew together over the compound.
Over the compound.
I'll never be over the compound. Wrinkle was a squadron leader. He brought us in real low, but he couldn't handle it.
Buddy couldn't handle it? Was Buddy one of your crew?
Buddy was a bombardier, but it was Wrinkle that couldn't handle it, and he went to pieces.
Andy went to pieces.
No, Andy was a navigator. He was all right. Buddy went to pieces. It was awful how he came unglued.
How he came unglued?
Howie was a rock, the best tail gunner in the outfit. Buddy came unglued.
And he bailed out.
No, Andy hung tough. Buddy bailed out. Howie survived was a miracle.
Then Howie survived.
No, we lost Howie the next day. I gotta say something about that guy up there, and I can sum it up in one word. Courage, dedication, daring, pride, pluck, spirit, grit, mettle, G-U-T-S, guts. Al Wrinkle has more guts in his little finger than all of us have in our large intestine, including the colon.